Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Now you are all watching 9th standard mathematics. In this, we already started the lesson lines and angles. In this class, we are going to study about intersecting and non-intersecting lines. Okay, students, do you understand this? So already we have started this lesson. In this class, we are going to study about intersecting or non-intersecting lines. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು intersecting lines ಮತ್ತೆ non-intersecting lines ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So let us study one by one. First one, it is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So students, what is meant by intersecting lines? Intersecting lines ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. The lines which can, the two lines which can intersect or it can passing through a common point, it is called as a intersecting lines. See students, it should be like this. Say this is one line segment, this is another line segment, so it should be intersecting at a common point. It means into mark. So such a type of lines it is called as a intersecting lines. Okay students, so this is intersecting lines means a two lines which can passing through a common point. So here O is a common point. So this is AB and this is CD. This is the two lines. This is the two lines which is intersecting at O. It means it is passing through a common point. It means here AB, ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲೈನು and CD another line. Okay, so both these lines it should be passing through at a O common point O ಅಲ್ಲಿ pass ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Such a type of lines is called as a intersecting lines. So this is one more type. You should have to write like this also. So you already know this, perpendicular bisectors. This is your PQ, this is your ORS. It means this is the two lines which is intersecting at O. Okay students, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ PQ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಲೈನು, ORS ಅನ್ನೋದು another ಲೈನು, ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸು it should be meet. It means it should be passing through a common point O. These type of lines it is called as a intersecting lines. Okay students, so once again intersecting lines means the two lines which can passing through a common point. It means two lines which can passing through at a common point. It is called as a intersecting lines. Okay students, so next non-intersecting lines. Next one is non-intersecting lines. Non-intersecting lines. What is meant by non-intersecting lines? Non-intersect, it means that points cannot be meet at a common point. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಲೈನ್ಸು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Such a type of lines is called as a non-intersecting lines. These lines is also called as a parallel lines. What we can call it as parallel lines. Why these lines are called as a parallel lines? Because of these lines cannot be meet at a common point. It cannot be passing through a common point. Such a type of lines is called as a parallel lines. So one more definition for this. So here, if you take two lines, this is AB and CD. This is the two lines, two parallel lines. So here you should take a point which is exactly perpendicular to the CD. So these points we can call it as a equal distance between the two consecutive perpendicular lines. Perpendicular points on a parallel lines, it is always distance is same. or O or R. So distance between the two lines, it should be maintained always same. Such a type of lines is called as a intersecting lines. See here, this is a distance between the two consecutive points, between the two parallel lines. So this is also a distance. So here, see this distance, it is always constant. So in between the lines, so between the perpendicular consecutive points, so distance is always maintaining equal. So that is such a type of lines is called as a parallel lines. So these lines you can write like this also. So these lines cannot be made at any point. It cannot be made. Okay. So such a type of lines is called as a parallel lines. Do you understand, students? So RS. So here your AB, line AB. So this is your line AB and CD. These are the two lines. So this is diagrammatically we can represent like this. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. So this is also similar. Here line PQ. This is line PQ as well as a line RS. So diagrammatically line PQ is parallel to line RS. Okay, students. Once again, so intersecting lines means the lines in between the lines, distance between two lines is same. Such a type of lines is called as a parallel lines. It means non-intersecting lines. So these two lines cannot be meet at any point. ಈ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋದರೂ ಸಹ it cannot be meet. Okay, such a type of lines is called as a parallel lines. Here the AB and CD are the parallel lines. So diagrammatically AB is parallel to CD. Once again here also PQ and RS are the two parallel lines. Diagrammatically PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, students. So this is about intersecting or non-intersecting lines. Once again, so what is meant by non-intersecting line segments? That is also called as a parallel lines, because of between the parallel lines distance become same between the two perpendicular points. Okay, students. So based on this, so we move on to the next concept. A ray is stands on a line. On line ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ray ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, how it is? It means a ray is stands on a line. So line and already we know that. So it is endless as well as a breadthless. So this is AB. So example 1. So AB is a line. So on this, so we should have to take one lines on the ray. So this is OC. So just observe these two angles. So here AOB is your line segment. It means your line. Okay. So OC is a ray. So this OC stands on AB line. Okay. What happens? Just observe this. So two angles it is formed here. Okay. So what type of angles these? These are the adjacent angles. Dear students, just observe here. If any ray stands on a straight line or a line, it can give you two adjacent angles. What type of adjacent angles? These two, just check it out here. That is angle AOC and angle BOC, or adjacent angles. Why it is adjacent angle? ಪಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ these two angles is called as a adjacent angles. Okay, now so one more concept we have learned here. AOB is what? So yes, AOB is your line. It means your straight line, right? Straight line means how much it should be representing angle? That is exactly 180 degree. Correct? So here AOB is a straight line. So two angles should be formed on the straight line. That is angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Yes, exactly. We know that already. We have learned this. So this is a linear pair of angles. Angles which is formed on a straight line. So sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. So such a type of angles is called as a linear pair of linear pair of angles. Correct, students? Yes, exactly. So angles which is formed in a straight line, sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. Such a type of angles is called as a linear pair of angles. See example, one more example here. So if this is xy, straight line xy, so a line should be stands on, so this is a OA. Okay, so this OA, ray OA stands on XOY. XOY is your straight line. Okay, two angles is formed here, that is XOA and AOY. This is what type of angles? Yes, exactly, that is adjacent angles, angles, adjacent angles. Okay, students, sum of these two angles is equal to, yes, exactly, that is 180 degree. Hence, these two angles is called as linear pair of angles. Okay, students, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ if ray stands on a line, the concept is a ray stands on a line. See here, OC ಅನ್ನೋದು, so ray AB ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲೈನ್, ಸೊ ಈ OC ಅನ್ನೋದು AB ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, it should be standing on AB. okay, so then here two angles is formed here, AOC and BOC. These two angles is formed. Already we know that such a type of angles is called as a adjacent angles. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ angles ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ adjacent angles. Okay, so here AOB is your straight line, is it right? So AOB is straight line means, so it should be always representing 180 degree, correct? So then in this AOB straight line, two angles is formed, AOC plus BOC, that is equal to 180 degree. So sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Such a type of angles is called as a linear pair of angles. So here also same similar. So next we move on to the next concept of the object. Okay, all right. Artha agta idea students? So please try to understand this, and you can practice in the home very well, similar to like this. I will give notes for this, so then it is very easy for you, otherwise it is difficult. Okay, so mathematics requires much practice. Dear students, it is not a common subject, so it is a mathematical concepts. It means calculations is not so easy. If you practice well, then it is very easy. Okay, based on this intersecting as well as a non-intersecting lines, so we have a theorem here. That theorem is so vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angles are equal. When it is equal, if two lines intersect each other. Okay, if two lines, or overall this statement you can rewrite as if two lines intersect, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, intersect each other then ಆದರೆ vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay students, so once again please read the statement. If two lines intersect each other, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ದೆನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ mathematics, first that statement you can read something what they are given, something what we are going to do. It means your statement is containing two parts. So first part what is given, so second part what we are going to do. See in this statement, if two lines intersect each other is given, so then vertically opposite angles are equal. It means what we are going to prove in this. Okay, for this in this first step, so everywhere first if you want to prove any theorem is diagram is necessary. Okay students, so this is AB, this is your CD, this is the two pair of lines. It should be intersect at a common point O. Okay, so this is about given. So first collect the data. First you should collect the data. It is first step in the theorem. Data what is given, AB, line AB and CD are two lines. Correct? Right, exactly. It is two lines. AB and CD are the two lines, just indicating arrow marks on both the sides. So that is indicating that it is a line. Okay, so it is passing through common point. Which is your common point here? That is correct, exactly. That is O. Okay, na? Right. So next, what we are going to prove? We want to prove this. What we are going to prove here? Vertically opposite angles antane. Alige. So for this, AOD, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this is what we are going to prove in this theorem. Okay, so next here small construction we want to do here. Construction ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that is amount of rotation. So this is amount of rotation between the angles. Okay students, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So this is a small construction, that is amount of rotation between the rays. Okay, so once again students, here if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, for this we have taken a diagram here. AB and CD are the two lines. So these two lines should be intersecting at O. Two lines O only intersect agide. So from this data we should collect AB and CD are the two lines. So which is passing through a common point O. Then we can prove that what we are going to prove here half of the statement to prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Angle AOD andre idu. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ BOC is equal. So next angle AOC ಗೆ angle BOD, it is a angle what we are going to prove. For this a small construction what we did here, amount of rotation between the rays. Okay, so next proof. Okay, already we previous topic what we have studied, a ray stands on a line. That concept we should take here for a proof. First we should take here OA. A ray OA stands on stands on. So this is CD. correct, line CD, line CD ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ, correct. So then here pair of angles it is formed. What type of pair of angles it is? Linear pair. So angle AOC plus angle AOD, correct, angle AOD is equal to S to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay. So next again you should take one more this. So OD stands on your OD stands on AB, line AB. See here, this is OD. This ray OD stands on AB, correct. So next again here pair of angles is formed on the straight line, that is linear pair. Angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. So again it is linear pair. Okay. So here you should have to rewrite this AOD. Okay, no problem. So this is equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, so their LHS are equal. Is it correct? Sorry, RHS are equal. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ LHS is equal. Okay, so what is LHS here? This is AOC plus AOD is equal to, its LHS is AOD plus BOD, angle BOD, correct. So if you take this one to this side, it should get cancelled, plus 1 minus, right. So now here this should become angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this is your vertically opposite angles. Say angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this is your first proof. This is your first proof. So similarly, we can also prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay, students. So once again, please here the theorem. It is important theorem here. If two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. In mathematics, whatever if you want to do in the life, so that is always statement is required. So statement is always containing two parts. One is what is given. So second part, what we are going to prove. In this, if two lines intersect each other is given. So that given thing just represent in a form of diagram. So that is AB, line AB and line CD are the two lines which should be intersecting at a point O. Okay. So next half of this statement, what we are going to prove. Then vertically opposite angles are equal. Right. To prove, so just angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. See, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay. And angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So what we are going to prove. So that is the thing. It should be contained in the statement. For that, if you want to prove this, so you should make a small construction here. Amount of rotation between the rays. It means, so this is the amount of rotation between the rays. So next, we want to make a proof here. So already we know that the concept of the line should be standing on a line. Okay, a ray is standing on a line. So based on this, so first if you take OA, A ray OA stands on CD. So OA another CD ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. So then these two angles is formed. Already we know that there is a linear pair. That is angle AOC plus angle AOD. It should become 180 degree. Okay, 180 means linear pair. So again, if you take OD, this is OD. So it should be stands on line AB, right? So again, it should be a pair of line angle, linear pair of angles. It is formed. That is angle AOD, angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, see, just observe here. So RHS is 180 degree, here also 180 degree. So then it is equal to 180 degree. Then your LHS is also equal. So equalize the LHSs. The angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. It is from 1 and 2, right? So here same things in the opposite to the equivalent sign, so it should get cancelled. It means if you bring this side, it should become negative. 1 plus 2, 1 minus other, it should be cancelled, right? So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is left. So this is your proof. Similarly, so this one also you can prove AOD as well as is equal to BOC. So it should be like this. So this is OB stands on CD. So this is OC stands on. So OC stands on AB. If you take that, so this one also you can prove. Okay, friends. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ತೀರಮು? Right. Okay. So based on this, we want to do some sums here. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So sum is like this. In a figure, PQ and RS are two lines intersect at O. Intersect at O. If PQR, angle PQR and ROQ. Okay, here given. What is the problem is given? This is PQ and RS are the two lines intersecting at a point O. Then angle POR is to angle ROQ is equal to 5:7. Then find all the angles. Okay, so here for this we have a diagram here, that is this one. This is PQ. So this is your OS. Meet at a, it means passing through at a common point O. Okay, so this is given here for this. So what is given? So just you can take the data. What is given here? A ratio of the angles is given. Angle POR plus ROQ is equal to 5:7. Okay, then find all the angles. It means angle POS is equal to question mark. Angle ROQ is equal to question mark. Angle POR is equal to question mark, and SOQ is equal to question mark. All four angles we shall to find out here. Okay, for this we have a solution here. Sum of ratios. that is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, because angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree. So this is linear pair. Correct? Yes. Alright. Sum of two angles is equal to 180. Their sums of ratio is equal to 12. Then angle POR is equal to, so that is ratio of the angle divided by sum of the ratio into 180 degree. Okay students, this is 12 ones are 12 5s are, it means 15 degree. So your angle POR is equal to 15 5s are 75 degree. Okay. So next, angle ROQ is equal to, its ratio is 7 divided by sum of the ratio is 12 into sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. So that is equal to 12 ones are 12 15s are. Okay. So that is equal to 15 7s are 105 degree. Okay, you got these angles. So next we can apply the theorem. So that angle POR so is equal to angle angle POR is equal to SOQ. Okay, and angle POS is equal to ROQ. So this is 75 degree, this is 105 degree. Why it is? Because of vertically opposite angles according to theorem. Vertically opposite angles. Okay students, so do you understand this problem? So here PQ and RS are the intersecting lines at O. Then ratio of the angles is given, that is 5:7. Then find all the angles. So for that we can draw a diagram. PQ and RS. This is given here. Sum of two angles. It means ratio of the angles is given. Ratio of the angles is equal to 5:7. Then find all the angles here. So then you can take here sum of the ratios is equal to 5 plus 7. It is equal to 12. POR plus ROQ is a linear pair of angles. Then angle POR individual ratio by sum of the ratio into 180 degree, it can give you 75 degree. Okay, angle ROQ is also similar. Here we are going to get 105 degree. So here angle POR and SOQ are the vertically opposite angles, that is equal 75 degree each, and POS is equal to angle ROQ, it is also 105 degree each. Okay, right. So for this we will move on to the next one more problem here. Okay, one more sum here. In problem so that is in a figure AB and CD are the two lines intersect each other. AB and CD are the two lines intersect each other. So its vertically opposite angles are equal. Correct? So right. So here second problem, AB and CD are two lines intersecting or intersect at O, and angle AOC plus angle BOE is given, that is 70 degree, and one more angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Then find angle BOE and reflex angle of COE. Okay, for this, so take the diagram here. Diagram is given. This is your straight line. It means two intersecting lines. This is the two intersecting lines. This is AB. So this is your CD. This is your O. Okay, so one more angle is given here. This is E. Okay, so right. So what is given here? Just collect the data. What is given here? Angle AOC plus angle BOE. Angle AOC plus BOE is given, that is 70 degree. Correct. So next, one more angle is given, that is BOD. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Now we want to find out here angle BOE is equal to question mark and reflex angle of COE is equal to question mark. These two angles we want to find out here. So for this we have a solution here. Just see this diagram. Angle AOC and angle BOD, how it should be looks like? These two angles are vertically opposite angles, right? So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, correct? So this is vertically opposite angles. So then angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to is given here. This is 40 degree. Correct. So next, here we have a condition is given here. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is given, that is equal to 70 degree. Correct. So now substitute AOC here to get the BOE. BOE is equal to plus AOC is 40 degree is equal to 70. Then angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. Then your angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40 is 30 degree. Okay, so you got your 30 degree, right? So next, we want to find out here COE. Angle COE, it means, just observe here, AOB is a straight line. Okay, angle AOC and angle COE, angle BOE, these three angles which is formed in the, it means 1, 2, 3, these three angles which should be formed on the straight line AOB. Okay, what is AOB? AOB is equal to straight line or line is equal to 180 degree. It means it should be representing linear angle. So AOB means angle AOC plus COE plus angle BOE. So just observe friends here, angle AOB ಅನ್ನೋದು 180 degree. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ straight line always represent 180 degree. So on this straight line, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE. These three angles are there. That is always equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle AOC is, already we know that angle AOC is equal to how much? 40 degree. Plus COE we want to find out here. Plus angle BOE is 30 degree. is equal to 180. So next, angle COE is equal to, this is 30 plus 40 plus 30, it should become 70 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle COE is equal to, shift to that side, so it should become 180 minus 70 degree. Then angle, so here just observe here, AOB is your straight line. Okay, straight line is always representing 180 degree, it means linear angle. Okay, on this straight line, angle AOC, angle COE, angle BOE, sum of these three angles is always equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here angle AOC is given, that is 40 degree, sorry, angle AOC is equal to given 40 degree. Okay, so angle COE you want to find out, so angle BOE is given 30 degree. Okay, so next COE plus 70 degree, it means 30 plus 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Okay, is equal to 180. So next COE is equal to 180 minus 70, then COE is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, here we want to find out reflex angle. Reflex angle of 110 degree. Okay, so reflex angle for 110 is how much? So a complete angle minus COE. Okay, so this is complete angle means 360 degree minus 110 degree, so it can give you 360 minus 110, this is 0, 6 minus 1 is 5, this is 2, it means 250 degree. So reflex angle of COE is 250 degree. Right, students? So this is about